and defend this Constitution of Kenya
as by law established,
as by law established,
and all other laws,
and no other laws of the Republic,
and that I will protect
and that I'll protect
and uphold
the
sovereignty,
integrity,
and dignity of the people of Kenya.
And the dignity of the people of Kenya.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais.
We will now take the oath of due execution of office for the Deputy President, and I'll ask that you repeat after me, please. I,
Rigathi Gachagua,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya
that I will diligently
serve the people,
discharge my duties, and perform my functions in the said office.
May I request that we take it again, please?
To the best of my judgment.
I'm sorry, let's take it again. I,
Asante, tutulie.
Rigathi Gachagua,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently
serve
the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President
of the Republic of Kenya,
that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will do justice to all without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will not
directly
or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais.